Good morning, everyone, and welcome to CES 2018. My name is IP Park, Chief Technology Officer of LG Electronics. I'm truly excited to present to you our Innovation Today story. Today, technologies and industries are evolving at an exponential speed. Software and connectivity are at the core of this digital transformation. And more specifically, big data, IoT, cloud services, and of course, artificial intelligence, which is the main topic I'll be talking about today. For the past few years, our corporate philosophy has been innovation for a better life. This means we strive to think from the user's perspective to deliver products and solutions that make your lives easier and better. So today at CES, we introduce LG's global AI brand. It's called LG ThinQ. This name is significant because it represents LG's commitment to think about you, the user, in all that we do. It also represents LG's products and solutions that think to provide intelligent services. LG ThinQ will completely change the way we use our products. Our products will learn from the users to provide intelligent services, not the other way around. So you won't have to study instruction manuals anymore. LG ThinQ has three main characteristics. The first is the ability to evolve with time. With ThinQ, the term live and learn takes on an exciting new meaning. The more you use our products, the better they evolve to meet your specific needs. For example, the LG ThinQ air conditioner learns your living patterns over time. It cools to the temperature you want when you want it. You don't even have to lift a finger. Our robot vacuum cleaner learns the people and the pets that live in your home. And when navigating through hallway and the rooms, it'll be able to detect whether the object in front of it is a piece of furniture, or you, or your dog. In the car, LG's cabin monitoring technology learns the driver's facial expressions and gesture. It recognizes the moment you start getting drowsy, and it alerts you. And in a bit more futuristic scenario of a driverless car, LG ThinQ will be able to automatically adjust the music, the lighting, or the temperature by learning about the passenger's activities inside the car. All of these self-evolving products are possible because of the customer experience and the insight we have gained over the past 6 decades all over the world. As you know, our home products are 100% Wi-Fi enabled and IoT ready. So this, together with our AI technology, can provide unique and practical value each and every day. The second characteristic of LG ThinQ is the ability to integrate AI into a diverse portfolio of everyday products. LG makes many products that you use every single day, in the home, on the road, and in the office. Through this wide range of network products, you will be able to benefit from AI as a seamless user experience. For example, at home with LG's total clothing care solution, the only thing that you have to do is put in your laundry. Our appliances do the rest. The machine can automatically set the washing cycle depending on the type and the load, or provide the optimal dryer cycle, or have the styler seamlessly prepare your clothes. In the car, LG's in-vehicle infotainment system can communicate with your home refrigerator to see if you need to pick up groceries after work. And as you get closer to your home, it adjusts your home lighting and temperature. Your garage door automatically opens when you arrive. In hotels, buildings, and stores, our B2B systems, such as hotel TVs, system air conditioners, and digital signage, will increasingly offer more LG ThinQ AI and data services for convenience and productivity. The several different types of robots that will be showcased in our booth this year really sum up our comprehensive efforts in AI, robotics, software, and data services capabilities. And in part, they serve as a perfect testbed of exponential technologies and innovative business models. These robots are currently being deployed in public spaces such as airports and shopping malls. So LG is pioneering the field of service robots. The third characteristic of LG ThinQ is the openness. Our philosophy of LG ThinQ is to provide the best AI experience to our customers, whether it comes from our own or from an external partner's solution. The world has become just too complex for any single company to insist on a proprietary closed solution. So our open strategy is always to provide the most powerful AI solution to the users by utilizing open platform, open partnership, and open connectivity. Our own AI engine called the Deep ThinQ, which supports voice and video recognition, uses deep learning technology to make our products smarter as time passes. For example, it can be used to enhance the picture quality of our OLED TVs or reduce the cycle time of our washing machines. Furthermore, our Deep ThinQ has very flexible architecture to easily connect with external services by our partners. With our open partnership strategy, we are working with prominent partners such as Google and Amazon for general services in AI. We are also open to working with other local and global partners. For example, we are collaborating with Google to integrate the Google Assistant in some of our strategic products, such as our OLED TVs, wireless AI speakers, and intelligent headphones. With our open connectivity strategy, we allow various IoT products to coexist in the home IoT ecosystem. For this, we are actively participating in industry consortium such as OCF. So in our open ecosystem, you can use LG's refrigerator panel to control an IoT device from another manufacturer. Imagine that. We also see potential value of using home IoT data in synergy with data from other industries. For example, connecting a smart hub to an electric vehicle can automatically schedule your car to charge at an optimal time. It'll save you money. As part of our open strategy, we have created an investment fund. And through this fund, we will actively seek and work with innovation partners to accelerate the growth of artificial intelligence. So tomorrow, in the LG booth, you will see the LG ThinQ world unfolding before your eyes. And you will see that with LG ThinQ, life's good. Now let me turn the stage over to our good friend from Google to tell you more about our collaboration. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
lot. Thank you, Dr. Park.
Thanks, Dr. Park. I'm very excited to be here to talk about how the Google Assistant and LG are continuing to work together. Now, at the highest level, our goal with the Google Assistant is to help people get things done in a natural, seamless way. We're building on our experience in machine learning, speech recognition, and natural language processing to create a conversational experience that's available no matter what device you're using. Our collaboration with LG, which began on phones, has continued over the last year and a half. And because of LG's breadth of products, we've been able to work together on all kinds of devices, including LG watches, OLED TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, air conditioners, and more. For example, with the Google Assistant, you can check the status of your LG home appliances, or tell your LG OLED TV to turn on the air purifier if the room gets stuffy. The LG ThinQ speaker is also a great example of the Google Assistant working with LG, and it'll be coming and available in the coming months. With the LG ThinQ speaker and the Google Assistant, you can get hands-free help around your home. Another example is the Tone wireless in-ear headset. The Tone is optimized for the Google Assistant, which means there's circuitry built right into the headphone that makes assistant access instantaneous. The Tone has an action button that you just press and hold to talk to the assistant, to start your playlist, reply to messages, skip a track, and more. Now, these are just some of the highlights of how we're working together to bring the Google Assistant to more LG devices. We're only a week into 2018, and I'm looking forward to everything we have planned together for this year. Thanks for having me.
To achieve your goals, self-management is key.
Workdays are filled with back-to-back meetings. I look forward to spending my own time at the end of the day.
In the mornings, I'm always rushed and often forgetful. Hey, Google. Good morning.
Good morning, Rachel.
I used to be pressed for time, but now I can do more than ever before. Show me a yoga video. Play meditation playlist. Broadcast, it's time to wake up.
Morning.
Turn on Ice Plus in refrigerator. Maintaining top condition is my first priority. Play workout playlist on the living room speaker. Set temperature to 68 degrees. I want to maintain a comfortable environment and also peace of mind.
When my hectic day is over and I can finally have my own time, and I think of something I want to do, I don't hesitate. Find the nearest ski resort.
The laundry is done.
Show me directions from Reno to Mammoth Mountain. night, Google. I'm leaving.
Good morning. You know, as head of marketing for LG Electronics here in the US, I often get asked, do consumers really need all these smart devices? Is there really any benefit? Well, today I'm going to demonstrate how LG AI is making people's lives easier and better, both in the home and outside. And we're going to start with the everyday items we use most, appliances. You know, last year at CES, we announced that our entire lineup of 2017 home appliances would be Wi-Fi enabled. And we delivered on that promise this year. And now in 2018, we're going to add LG ThinQ, our AI platform, to all of our appliances. As Dr. Park shared, LG ThinQ continuously learns your behaviors and your preferences, and optimizes the services to meet individual needs faster and better. Plus, our AI platform integrates across all of our LG products, and they can talk and learn from each other. In the end, all to benefit the consumer. Our goal, deliver the best, most convenient solution to everyday lives. And that means LG is uniquely positioned to work with the best of the best to ensure LG products meet needs. So to help me show the LG family of AI home appliances, allow me to introduce Chloe. Hello, Chloe.
Good morning, Dave. I hope you're well. What can I do for you today?
Now, look, there are already a variety of products that help make homes smarter, including speakers that listen and even talk. And Chloe here is our way to operate your LG devices via voice commands, and I might add, the most interactive as well. It's the ultimate in simplicity when managing your smart home. Plus, we really love how Chloe is capable of physical and emotional interaction. She's so cute. Talk about innovation that makes you smile. Okay, so how does LG ThinQ really work? Let me show you how LG AI can transform an everyday routine like laundry. Okay, let's go with me. It's Saturday morning. I get up. I first like to make sure everything is ready for the day. Chloe, what's my schedule?
You need to go to the gym at 10 a.m. today. Power up. Power up. Smart Learner has set the washer to the sportswear setting.
Sounds like the perfect setting for my workout gear. Thanks, Chloe. So LG ThinQ has now chose the very best wash cycle for me based on my personal laundry habits. And I love that the LG Sidekick pedestal washer helps me get my workout gear without having to wait immediately. So LG washers observe frequently used laundry settings and repetitive patterns in everyday life to optimize the clothing management methods. For instance, things like changes in the weather, air quality. All of this can now be incorporated to optimize the washer settings for the clothes. These are things that the consumer often wasn't even thinking about. That's what AI is all about. Chloe, am I ready on my washer cycle? Even robots have bad days. So, if we had the washing cycle ready to go, then the dryer could also be synced up. And Chloe itself will make sure that the dryer has the correct setting. This means the LG appliances aren't acting independently, they're talking to one another. They're learning from one another. In the case of laundry, the washer is talking to the dryer, so I don't have to do it. And only from LG can you get a total clothing care solution that includes LG's advanced washers and dryers along with our exclusive LG Styler. The LG Styler uses the power of steam to refresh and de-wrinkle without any chemicals. This together is truly the ultimate laundry room, and only LG has it. Our new capacity LG Styler identifies NFC tags that are embedded inside of the clothing and then automatically sets for an optimal setting for the clothing care. You don't have to painstakingly examine a tiny tag on the clothing. Instead, smart technology can effortlessly read the NFC tag and refresh the clothes with the power of steam. So I'm getting a little hungry up here. Let's think about dinner. Let's see what we have over in our smart kitchen. LG's smart connected refrigerators, ranges, and dishwashers make managing the kitchen easier than ever. The LG InstaView ThinQ refrigerator is the latest when it comes to smart AI in the kitchen. 29-inch full HD touchscreen display helps you look up recipes, check weather, and yes, even do grocery shopping. It includes a smart tag feature that allows you to log and check each ingredient's expiration date. So let me demonstrate. Chloe, what's for dinner tonight? Okay, Chloe is not going to talk to me. Chloe doesn't like me, evidently. We're going to go ahead and check the ingredients inside the refrigerator. And we're going to see a variety of tags here. We can leave notes for our family members. We could also check expiration dates of food ingredients. So in this case, we're going to go to find out that we've got chicken in the refrigerator and it's expiring in 3 days. It looks like we should use the chicken. Chloe, are you talking to me yet? What recipes could I make with chicken? Okay, we're going to search recipes, and we're going to find buffalo chicken pizza. Buffalo chicken pizza sounds good. The good thing about now, with the ability of Wi-Fi, we can not only have the recipe up, we know the ingredients, we're using a food that's going to expire in 3 days, we can actually send the recipe over to the oven. So the oven will automatically now set and preheat. So, in the past, what would you have to do? You'd have to open the refrigerator, look for your ingredients, figure out what potentially is going to be expired, then look up recipes and make sure to set the proper oven temperature. But now, this smart kitchen is changing the game. It's doing it all for you seamlessly and effortlessly. And as an added benefit, LG's active power saving function helps save energy. It learns the family's consumption patterns. It activates the power saving mode when it's not being used for extended periods, like a vacation, for example, and that saves energy and saves money. And if you're a maintenance freak like me, you'll be pleased to know that AI technology will also have what we call LG Proactive Service built right into the product. So let's say there's a service issue with your refrigerator or washer, which seldom happens with an LG appliance, but go with me. You'd contact the service center, right? They would then send a technician to fix the problem. But now, with LG ThinQ, our AI can detect the potential issues before they even occur. LG's proactive service detects data generated by the appliance and then delivers it to the service center before the problem even occurs. A simple communication from our service center will oftentimes help avoid the problem completely, or troubleshoot one if it occurs. So every aspect of LG's AI products, from usability to maintenance, now deliver a new dimension of consumer convenience. Now, we've seen the AI technology in home appliances. Let's explore the living room. Please watch the video.
I need to show you something. My TV understands what we're saying. Launch game console. Wow. Nice. impossible. Look at this.
Kayla, do you want some tea?
Yes, please. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Oh, do you remember when we were there?
Have we been there?
Mm.
Show me my photos of the Grand Canyon from 10 years ago.
Here's what I found in your Google photos.
Oh, yes. Now I remember.
Oh, he's so cute. Have you seen this guy before?
No. Who is that guy?
Oh, it's Ryan! It's Ryan! Show me all the movies with Ryan. Hey, we're watching that.
Relax. What's the Giants' score?
Last Monday, the Giants played the Dragons.
See?
Switch to Discover China.
Shall we bring our jackets?
Do I need a jacket next week in Beijing?
Here's the forecast for Beijing.
No jackets required, love.
Show me the video for running.
Dim the living room lights.
What have you been watching?
Turn on jazz hits. Switch off after this program ends.
So, you may wonder, why does a television need AI when we already have so many different intelligent speakers? Well, there's a few key advantages. The first one is having AI on the television is the ability to control the television with just your voice. It's so easy now. For example, you can ask your television to play your favorite program, connect to your soundbar for enhanced sound experience, or you could even voice command to set to your favorite picture mode. The second advantage is that now you could enjoy television with intelligent content information. What does that mean? You could search the soundtrack of a movie, for example, check information about the cast or the director. And by the way, you can even turn off the TV at the end of the program without actually having to schedule a particular time. And last but not least, you can get the most out of LG's AI TVs with the Google Assistant integrated right into the product. So the Google Assistant is such a simple way to check information for your day, for example, with Google Weather, plan your vacation with Google Maps, use instant translation, or perhaps view your favorite vacation photos. Let me demonstrate. Show me my photos from my vacation.
Take a look at these pictures from your Google Photos.
There we go. Who is that guy? Well, what's more, you could also order pizza straight from your television, book your ride. And all these services are now going to be available in the US in 2018. But that's not all you could do with the Google Assistant that's built into our LG televisions. You can also connect and control all your smart home devices. For example, before our next guest arrives to my home, I want to share more about the TV innovations, but I also want to make sure that the room is all set for his arrival. turn the air purifier on.
You got it. Turning on the air purifier.
My next guest will be so pleased. The air is pure and clean now. All of LG's smart TVs are equipped with LG ThinQ AI technology. It's certainly going to be a very exciting year for televisions and LG. But as you know, LG TVs are all about picture quality. And here to tell us more on how we've made the best TV ever even better is LG Home Entertainment Product Marketing Senior Director, Tim Alessi.
Well, that was very impressive, and yes, I am happy that the air is pure in here. But the major enhancements to our TV lineup don't stop with AI integration. In fact, we're taking the best TV ever and making it even better in 2018. LG's OLED TVs have already been widely recognized by leading experts for their unrivaled picture quality, and the numerous awards we've received during the past year are testament to this. LG TV technologies offer greater headroom for respected cinematographers like Tim Miller or Rob Legato to produce even more impressive movie scenes. In fact, our TVs have been recognized by professional color experts for superior performance and are increasingly being used as the consumer reference displays in Technicolor grading suites. But being the best TV ever just drives us to aim even higher for 2018. And it all begins with a tiny yet powerful processor. Our new proprietary Alpha 9 intelligent processor will be featured in this year's OLED TVs. The Alpha 9 processor delivers up to 50% more powerful image and data processing than our award-winning 2017 models for better overall control of smart functions and advanced image processing, such as more accurate color control. With the Alpha 9, LG's most powerful processor to date, viewers will be able to enjoy images brought to life with even more astonishing color, clarity, and depth. Now remember, the processor plays a crucial role in delivering realistic, lifelike images in a few different ways. First, by minimizing picture noise. The Alpha 9 processor uses a 4-step process to reduce noise artifacts. Most only use 2. Now, this algorithm allows for greater finesse in the noise reduction process, enabling more effective rendering of smooth gradations around the images. Next come depth and sharpness. Now, most TVs use edge-based depth enhancement, but LG TVs use an object-based enhancer, which can precisely separate main on-screen objects from the background. And when it comes to sharpness, LG's Alpha 9 processor separately analyzes textures and edges, which are then processed differently to make the texture clearer and those edges sharper. So as a result, LG OLED TVs display more natural-looking images. Finally, we come to color. Viewers can enjoy more accurate, lifelike color thanks to the expanded color lookup table, which offers more natural color, expanding the reference color coordinates by over 7 times compared to our 2017 processor. Now, this ensures colors look closest to their original source. Another important feature of the Alpha 9 processor is high frame rate support. HFR capability means that LG OLED TVs will be ready to support next generation content at 120 frames per second, such as sports, action movies, and doing all this without any judder or motion blur. In addition to all the new features brought by the Alpha 9 processor, LG's 2018 OLED TVs will come with 4K Cinema HDR, which brings a truly cinematic experience to the home, regardless of the format. LG's 2018 OLED TVs add support for advanced HDR by Technicolor, building on a legacy of supporting most major HDR formats, from the superior viewing experience of Dolby Vision to HLG and HDR10. Dolby Vision and Advanced HDR by Technicolor guarantee superior HDR quality through their use of dynamic tone mapping technology. However, HLG and HDR10 either use no metadata or static metadata. So to overcome this, LG's 2018 OLED TVs process an HDR image dynamically through proprietary HDR solution known as HLG Pro and HDR10 Pro. This will provide viewers with a better viewing experience for all HDR content. Since our TVs are designed to deliver an immersive viewing experience, sound is also a key component. And LG 2018 OLED TVs all include Dolby Atmos sound, which complements the TV's technologically advanced visual strengths and will offer a realistic total home cinema experience. We've also listened to feedback from our customers and are expanding the content options available in our very popular gallery mode. We'll now provide additional seasonal collections of the most popular travel destinations through a new partnership with TripAdvisor. Our 2018 global OLED TV lineup will feature 5 series, starting with our top-of-the-line W8. We'll also have the G8, E8, C8, and B8 series, screen sizes from 55 to 77 inches. Now, so far, we've seen the innovations in our LG OLED TV lineup, but let's take a look at how we're also stepping up our commitment to the Super UHD LCD lineup in 2018. Last year, right here on this stage, we introduced nanocell technology and a complete lineup of TVs that delivered rich and accurate colors. Now, I think everybody here is aware of collective efforts of manufacturers to further enhance color gamut every year, even if it's getting by a smaller and smaller percentage. It's still very important. However, if an LCD is not able to maintain those enhanced colors from wide viewing angles, which, by the way, is how most viewers actually watch TV, all of these efforts are going to be meaningless. In fact, if you were to be somebody sitting at 60 degrees off axis, you'd be seeing the equivalent color reproduction from a 10-year-old TV. Nobody wants that. With LG's nanocell display with IPS, more of those rich, accurate colors are maintained even from wider viewing angles. However, probably the most meaningful change to the 2018 Super UHD lineup is the addition of full-array local dimming backlighting. This new backlight offers significant improvement in lighting control, which leads to enhanced black levels, enhanced local contrast in comparison to prior year's edge-lit TVs. Now, this is critical for viewing HDR content. Similar to 2018 OLED TV lineup, all of the Super UHD sets will also feature a new processor for enhanced image processing. These TVs will all include 4K Cinema HDR, Dolby Atmos sound, and the gallery mode. So we invite you to experience the full power of LG OLED and Super UHD TVs, including the magic of our OLED Canyon in our booth this year. And trust me on this, if you loved last year's OLED Tunnel, you're definitely going to want to see this. I look forward to seeing you there.
So the video, you just saw the robot in Incheon Airport. We previewed that last year at CES, and now we've had 5 of these cleaning robots and 5 guide robots that are in that airport. They've traveled nearly 400 miles and interacted with 7,500 visitors. So we believe we've enhanced now the commercial value of robots. It's maximizing customer value through the pilot service at the Incheon Airport. But we're looking for more opportunities to deliver more value, resulting from our advanced AI and our experience in robotics. So our experience in robotics has led us to do a lot of things, including some concept robots that we're going to show you today. We're going to show you how we're going to expand these core technologies. So, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce our lineup of concept robots. So we have three here. We have a serving robot, a porter robot, which will handle various hospitality needs, and a shopping cart robot, which can provide automatic payment and grocery service at supermarkets. Let's take a closer look at each robot. So the serving robot's role, as the name implies, is to serve meals to guests at a hotel, maybe room service, or even an airport lounge.
Hello.
Let's see what the serving robot has for me today. Maybe breakfast? But instead, the daily newspaper. So you can imagine the convenience in a hotel room when the serving robot's able to do and meet all these different needs of the guest itself. Now, the porter robot is going to be able to take luggage to the hotel room. But an additional benefit is that it'll offer express check-in and check-out services. And finally, shoppers can reduce time spent in supermarket by scanning the barcodes of the grocery items using the shopping cart robot. So, shopping cart, barcode scanner in the back, and it'll provide also automated payment service when it's time to check out. We're dedicated at LG to developing new robotic technologies to meet and even exceed consumer needs. And we're going to keep advancing our robotics hardware along with our AI technologies to propel LG to the forefront of the global market. So, ladies and gentlemen, in summary, as many of you in this room also see, 2018 will be the tipping point for the smart home, and more importantly, for the smart connected lifestyle. And at LG, that's what we mean by innovation for a better life. From your kitchen to your laundry room and beyond, through the home theater, into cars, the open LG ThinQ AI platform brings it all together using leading partners like Google and Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, the future is here today, and with LG, life's good. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great show.